Hello friends, today I'll tell you how you can make an image like this. So first of all, open your browser. Now type over here remove.bg. Page like this will open. Click on upload image. Now upload the Eiffel Tower image. So the background is removed. Now click on the background button. Scroll down. So you can choose a sky-like background for this. So I like this one, I'll choose this. Click on download preview, which is free. Now add the selfie image. So the background is removed. Click on background. Click on the plus sign. Upload the previously downloaded image. Yeah, so our image is done.